Ready or not, spring is here and your lawn is going to need your attention. To get your lawn ready, we've partnered with DeWalt to show you their new 21-inch 196cc rear-wheel drive self-propelled 3-in-1 lawnmower that'll help you get through the thickest of grass. There are definitely several areas that need to be on your list for consideration when shopping for a new mower. I want to start with a peek under the hood and take a look at the engine. This mower features a commercial grade 196cc gasoline engine. What makes it a commercial grade lies on the inside. DeWalt uses a cast iron cylinder sleeve that helps with reducing wear and offers excellent heat dissipation. Once the motor is running, the engine is electronically governed to maintain optimum speed no matter what the cutting demands are on the mower. Internal combustion gasoline engines typically make significant noise, but to keep things quiet, DeWalt utilizes a muffler with an internal 3-chamber design. The fuel tank holds 0.2 gallons, which should give you plenty of runtime. Possibly the best feature of the engine is that it starts up with a single pull. The next thing I take into consideration when picking a mower is the deck and cutting width. This mower gives you a 21-inch wide cutting swath with a single blade. The deck is made of 15-gauge stamped steel that should give you many seasons of reliable lawn care. You can choose to use a side discharge to throw the clippings away from the mowing path, or you can close off the side discharge and install the mulching plug, letting the mower chew up the grass and layer the clippings back into your yard to help fertilize it. And lastly, if you like that clean look, you can opt for using the 2.3 bushel grass collection bag. The last area I consider are the controls. And what I mean by that is, how do I adjust and make this mower do what I want for my particular yard? This mower is self-propelled and features rear-wheel drive via some really large 11-inch wheels. These oversized wheels makes traction easy even on slopes and inclines. The self-propelled drive is also variable speed, which I like. Just press forward on the handle and the mower starts and speeds up. And when you let off on the handle, the mower slows down or stops. The variable speed system is very intuitive and makes mowing over varied terrain easy. There's no need to jog to keep up or walk at a snail's pace. When cutting grass, it's critical to set your deck height correctly. And this is done by a single adjustment point. You can precisely dial in your cutting height from 1.25 inches up to 3.75 inches in 6 different adjustment points. It was surprisingly easy to adjust the deck height as a spring tension takes the weight of the mower off of the lever when you're moving it. In an age of electrified lawn tools, it's refreshing to get a little bit of old school once in a while. Not everyone is ready to jump onto the battery bandwagon, and this DeWalt lawnmower is a compelling option for those who need more runtime or don't mind filling up a fuel tank. This mower comes with a 3-year limited warranty and is available for around $549 at Home Depot and other retailers. If you like this video and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, do that so you don't miss out on our next video. And as always, thanks for watching.